The Merck Emprove Program offers more than 400 raw and starting materials, as well as filter and single-use components, chromatography resins, and cell culture media. To help you find the chemical product that best suits your needs, we structure the Emprove chemical portfolio into 4 categories. The product line Emprove Essential offers high-quality, GMP-compliant raw materials, including excipients. For higher-risk applications, which require the lowest microbiological and endotoxin levels, we provide the Emprove Expert product line. With our Emprove Evolve offering, we filled the gap between lab-grade and GMP-compliant raw and starting materials. Using these products helps you mitigate risks in the earlier stages of your manufacturing process. Emprove Essential, Expert, and Evolve are thoroughly documented in our dossiers, material qualification, quality management, and operational excellence. They offer information that supports your risk assessment, management, and mitigation efforts, and help you speed up approval preparations. With the Emprove API product line, we provide active pharmaceutical ingredients. All products in this line are compliant with the ICH Q7 standard. They come with the Emprove API information package, which includes information on the fundamental properties of these products, as well as compliance statements. The 3 dossiers, material qualification, quality management, and operational excellence, are also available for our filters and single-use components, chromatography resins, and cell culture media. The Merck Emprove Program. Get the highest quality products with the best documentation for your manufacturing process.